Okay, we are in Hong Kong and we are waiting to get a taxi. We're going to do something very American. We're going to go to Disneyland, Hong Kong. There are 7.6 million people in Hong Kong, which means there are high rises everywhere. Well, here we are at Disneyland, Hong Kong. And I think we're about an hour early before the park opens up. But as you can hear, the birds are incredible. So we're finally in the park. I don't know if this is still the happiest place on earth. I know Disneyland is in California. My favorite section of Disneyland is Adventureland. And now we're heading to one of my favorite rides, probably the favorite ride here, the Jungle Cruise. I have loved that since I was a little kid.
Welcome to the world-famous Jungle River Cruise. Enjoy your adventure on the Jungle River Cruise today. And we warn you, you may get wet.
中間木箱可以坐中間烏箱，也可以做一個小的 big box as well。坐好開船，坐好，我們開船。
The nice thing about the narration being mainly in Chinese is I didn't have to listen to all the stupid jokes. Laura is thrilled to be on the Jungle Cruise. It never was her favorite until she married me, and now it is. My other favorite is Pirates of the Caribbean, but I don't think they have that here. So we'll have to go do that in Disneyland. Well, the Jungle Cruise did not disappoint. And we're still in Adventureland. Here's the Theater in the Wild. I have no idea what that is. But we are looking now for the Mystical Mansion. This is the only place that the Mystical Mansion is at any of Disney's properties. So we definitely have to go there. And that's where we're heading. So this is Grizzly Gulch. Grizzly Gulch, which really reminds me of Thunder Mountain. Okay, we're on Grizzly Gulch ride. And they told us, just before we got on, you know this is a roller coaster. And I said, well, I hope so. So anyway, here we go. Found it, the Mystic Manor, that's what it's called. supposed to be really spectacular, so we'll go see. Here's an interesting ride requirement. You have to be sober. I think we're going to It's a Small World. That song will be stuck in my head for 3 or 4 days now.
That the visitors of Arendelle were eager to see her. Are you? Yes. Na 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 hey la na. Oh look, it worked. Everyone, that means Elsa heard us and she's on her way.
toward the end of the day. It's about 6:30 in the evening. We've got, we'll go back and do the Mystery Manor one more time. And then I think we're going to go get a taxi and get back to the ship. By the time we got to Main Street, it was dark, but the street was all lit up. And it was a fun day. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.